What's up, guys? Your boy, the Bulletproof Trader here, and today I'm gonna go through the trades I had on my second week of FTMO, guys. Nothing that entertaining, but just took you guys through the week basically. So first 2 days were kind of negative. Missed an opportunity on Tuesday. Wednesday was good. Thursday no opportunities. Friday was quite good. And then FP day, so I'll tell you guys how everything went, how I'm feeling, and everything. I learned a couple of things psychologically this week. One of them being that when we trade, it's or in life actually, there are contrasts, you know. So if you to have good, you need to have bad. To have bad, you need to have good, right? And if you keep thinking, or should I say, if you let your emotions take over when you win a trade, or if you get too emotional attached to a trade, and have really high hopes that it's going to win, for example, you're bound to have a negative reaction if you lose. And the more excitement and hope you have for that trade, the bigger the negative reaction will be. So I've been practicing this out this whole week and just, trying to be as cold as possible towards the markets, should I say. Not, I wouldn't say not care, but, not expect, should I say. Not expect anything from the market. So, and I think it's made me pretty calm to say, when I had winning days, even big winning days, I just acted like it was nothing. And when I had losing days, I just again acted like it was nothing, And it's a bit difficult to do that. It's like you're being an actor with yourself, but I found it really helped, guys. So anyway, let's get straight into it. So first trade here, price mitigated a 50-minute block, which is the bigger box, guys. Then a flip, which is a little change of uh, direction, indication that's going to change direction. So I entered here, got tagged out. That's fine, absolutely fine, no problem with that at all. And then here another one, and yeah, it got tagged out. Same thing, a bit over it. I'll take trades if it goes a little bit over it. If it went too far here, for example, and I didn't take it, which was a good decision. So here we have another order block, and I entered this flip here, and we got some motive here. Entered, perfect entry. Price went just to 4R, and yeah, it took me out a break even. I was gonna do a scale in, but once I saw this little reaction, I was like, nah, I don't want to take it. So that's that. I lost 2R on Monday. Tuesday, I made a mistake where I was really paying attention. I was expecting price to give me an opportunity, but it did. So let's go straight into it. Price, we got this order block here, little one. Price swept this liquidity. I was waiting for it to sweep. Look at the trend line liquidity here. Swept. Okay, we done a flip. I entered. I shouldn't have taken this trade because once it made before it made the flip, there's no bottoms here. That's liquidity most likely going to be swept. So that was a mistake on my part. I shouldn't have taken this trade. There's two trades I didn't take that I shouldn't have taken on this day actually. I actually didn't take the picture properly. Anyway, there's another one here. Got a nice flip. A nice order block here with no liquidity, but price looked really good. We swept. Well, sorry, we done the flip here. Got to my entry. My TP was like there. I had motive again. Price reacted and then took me out. So that's minus 2R. And there was another trade here, which looked really good, but I shouldn't have taken because it was inside a 4-hour order block. So for 4-hour order block, I want to flip on a 15-minute, and I didn't wait for that, which in turn actually made me miss this opportunity here. Essentially, here's what I took, guys. I took this long here. This long here. Because it looks got really clean liquidity, so I was like, wow, this looks really good. But like we said, we were in a green box, which is the 4-hour order block. Anyway, so price once price swept this and showed me that it doesn't want to um long, I should have taken this here. But what happened was busy playing games and because I wasn't expecting, usually when pressed around this area it takes a long time, you know, it's gonna show me in a higher time frame that's gonna change direction, or it's gonna go down a bit lower and then, you know, but it didn't go down that much. And I also saw that there was liquidity here, so I was a bit skeptical, but I should have taken this trade. It met all my criteria, and I even had clean liquidity here, very clear liquidity, and I should have taken this trade, so that would have 6R. So first 2 days not great, guys. I was down about 2%, yeah, I think, or something like that. Then Wednesday we got a nice opportunity. Go. Let me talk you guys through this one because I could have easily had a bad day here. So we got 2 order blocks here, one here, one here. Okay, these are 50-minute order block. Got liquidity above here, liquidity below here. Okay, so first things first, we get a flip. Oh, I deleted it. We got a flip here, guys. Sorry, we got a flip here for the short. See this here. Then we got a flip here for the long. Okay, I was going to hedge this, but I'll tell you why I didn't hedge this. First of all, price didn't sweep this liquidity, okay? And this is very clear liquidity. Second, this one is not so much because it has to start this movement, right? This movement already there. So, secondly, every opportunity I have, there's never a time where I have won a trade when I would have to split my risk 3 times. You can see here, for this flip here, I would have had to put an order here, an order here, and an order here. So I said, this doesn't look good, you know, like there's no way this is gonna work, so I'm just gonna go for the long. I took the long here, perfect entry, got 7R real quick, and then this is the scaling, guys, which I haven't told you guys about, but it works really beautifully when the trade goes our way. So I chose this order block here, and again, I just split my risk for my scale ins. This one I could have gone full risk, but because it took a while, I went half, you know. So 7.R, that's 14R for the day. That was a really nice day. Then Thursday, there was no winning opportunities. Again, we got standard flip here. Enter there, -1R. Then we got again another flip, enter there, and I got to break even, which was a pretty good decision by me to move that sooner than later. And then on Friday, which was yesterday, I made one mistake. Oop, that's the winning trade. Go back. So this is the mistake I made. So if I want to, first of all, I haven't been trading these. I call them the 1 minute 1 minute MBMS criteria, which is basically you have motive, break on the 1 minute, and then you put the order on the extreme candle. But this swing wasn't big enough. This was 4.5 pips. I want my swings to be at least 5 pips. So instead of this being the low and this being the high, the true high was actually this one. This was the low. So I made a bad decision here. What I should have done was put an order here and here. Okay, half split my risk here and here. But I didn't do that. I chose this order block because I was stupid. I haven't done this strategy in a while. So yeah, I made a mistake. That was a mistake. Here it was bank holiday, guys. Remember Friday. So this trade I would have never been tagged out, but price for some reason decided to wick past, not this high as well, and then go in my favor. Yeah, but it was a really good entry right in the middle. But yeah, unfortunately price decided to do that. I know you guys say, oh, your stop loss is too small, but in reality, guys, it isn't. You know, the strategy works very cleanly. You know, it just some reason extra volatility or liquidity or whatever it was on bank holiday, which wouldn't happen on a normal day. It happened here. Doesn't bother me. No, it's so we got another opportunity after an FP, like 20 minutes after. We get a flip here. Enter the here 5R, and I did a scaling as well, where it shows this candle again, perfect entry 5R, so 10R. Finishing the week nicely, and the day with about 8R in total. Again, it's split risk, guys, the scaling. What I usually do for my scaling, I enter here. When I get the opportunity to go to do the scaling, I half my stop loss, so that then I risk half, so that I'm still risking the same amount that I risked. So pretty good in that sense, because usually it's when the trade is quite safe. When I get an opportunity where I go break even and then do the other one, then I will go full risk like I should have done in the other one, but because it took a while, I decided not to. So anyway, for the whole week, guys, we made 3.5%. Could have been a bit better if I called that trade and didn't make mistakes. Made some mistakes Tuesday, made some mistakes Monday, I believe it was, and one on Friday. So yeah, I'm up 4.7%. Just gotta try to make less mistakes as possible, really. And that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much, guys. Keep praying, keep wishing me good luck, and hopefully, I'll keep. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best to keep going and stay as disciplined as possible. But thank you all for the comments. We got 300 subscribers now, which is really cool. And I thank every one of you guys. And that's it, really. That's it. I hope you guys have a good weekend. And if you want to see anything else, just let me know. Comment below what you think. And yeah, catch you later, guys. Take care.